Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Genius. In today's session we are taking Excel chapter 9 simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course focusing on Excel chapter 9 simulation exam. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Starting with the summary worksheet group, the QTR1, QTR2, 3, 4 and summary sheets. Okay, first group this sheet. Then with the summary worksheet displayed, fill the contents and formatting in cell A1 across all worksheet. With the summary worksheet display, fill the content and formatting A2 to A10 across all worksheet. Cell distance go to fill sheet, go to cross worksheet, go to cross all worksheet. Okay. Ungroup the worksheets. Question completed. Question number 2 is group the QTR1 through QTR4 worksheet. Use auto sum to simultaneously total the values of the data in the range V3 to E11. Simultaneously format the range V3 to E3 and B11 to E11 using the counting number format. Group the QTR1 to QTR4, click okay, control and bring this. Okay, group all sheet, group QTR1 to QTR4, then range B3 to B11 using accounting number format. Okay, field series, then using account number auto-sum, then using accounting number format. Okay, select these two ranges. Okay, go to general, go to counting number format, tab monthly sales in cell 11, click on cell 11 and tab monthly sales. Monthly sales. Okay, and apply the top and double bottom border to the range B11 to 11. First we size this range and then apply top and double bottom border. Apply top and double bottom border, top and double bottom border as here. This you can see. Okay, ungroup the worksheet, click on sheet, ungroup worksheet, right click on this and ungroup worksheets. Okay, question completed. Now with the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell B2 to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR1 worksheet. Include this screen tape first. Go to OK link, right click on this link, QTR1 link, tab the cell references at E2 to E11. Okay, screen tips is that first quarter and press OK, then again OK. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell C2 the range E2 to 11 in the QTR2 worksheet. Include the screen tape second quarter. Okay, right click on this links. Okay, place in this document QTR2 E2 to E11 E2 to E11 in the QTR2. Okay, screen tape is that second quarter. Okay, then press again OK. With the summary worksheet active, insert a hyperlink in cell D2 to the range E2 to E11 in the QTR3. QTR3, click on QTR3, click OK. So sorry, tab of cell reference E2 to 11. Screen tip is that third quarter. Okay, question number 4 is that then sorry very much related fourth quarter is that click fourth quarter, then fourth 2 to 11 screen tip is that fourth quarter. Fourth quarter, then okay, then press again okay. Okay, click the hyperlink and search V2. Okay, click the okay question completed. Select the summary here and notes worksheets. Add the selected worksheets. Select the summary here and note worksheets. Okay. Select the summary here and notes. Okay, with the QTR4 sheet active on hide the summary and here worksheet. Okay, that's on hide summary and here sheet. Okay. Okay, this question is completed now. Open 3 new windows within the workbook so that all 4 windows display the summary worksheet. View, new window, view, new window, new window. Okay. Arrange the windows of active workbook so that they are tiled on the screen. Arrange all windows of active worksheet. Okay. Question completed. In cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative reference to the cell E3 on the QTR1 workbook. What is use the fill handle to copy the formula through cell B10. In cell B3 on the summary worksheet, insert a relative reference B3. Insert a relative references. Okay, QTR1. Okay, use autofill. Use the fill handle. Okay, question completed. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula to sum the values of E3 across QTR1, QTR2, QTR3 and QTR4 sheets. In cell F3, insert a 3D formula. Okay. In there. Okay. QTR1, QTR1, QTR2, QTR3, E3. QTR4, E4, E3. Then press enter. Okay, it will be point torus. Okay. Then use fill handle with the copy range of time. Question completed. Internet connection slow now. Okay, on the your worksheet, use the consolidate tool to select and add the range 2 to E11 from the QTR1 worksheet, the range 2 to E11 from the QTR2 worksheet, the range 2 to E11 from the QTR3 worksheet, and 2 to E11 from the QTR4 worksheet. Select the top rows and left column label and then click OK. Go to view tab, go to display data, go to consolidate. Okay, one is that. Okay, consolidate is that. Add QTR2 is that. A2 to 11. Add QTR3 is that. A2 to 11. Add 4 is that A2 to E11, A2 to E11. Okay, then 2 row 2 column. Okay, it will be shows auto fit the width of column A to N. Select all column A to N. Go to format tab. Go to auto width. Okay, it will show all column values here. Apply center horizontal alignment to the range B1 to B9. Center, go to alignment tab, go to center horizontal alignment. Board is selected range B1 to Bn. Click on tab, click on board. Select the range B10 to Bn10 and apply the total style. Select these ranges B10 to N10 and then apply total style. Go to the style, go to total, okay, click on total style, apply. This question is completed now. In cell G3 on the Ch09 annual sheet workbook, create a formula to the link to cell F3 in the open advanced sales workbook. Change the references cell F3 to relative cell references and then use the fill handle to copy the formula down through cell G10. In cell G3, create a formula to link F3. Okay, G3 and then click G3 create a formula in G3 and open the physical apply and change the reference to F10. Okay, it will be one you can see here on summaries F3. Okay, 644 65451. Use autofill. Total online sale will be shown here. Use autofill. Question completed now. And next question is trade dependence for cell C3 on the summary worksheet. Okay, C3 view data trade dependence formulas and trace dependent. Okay, trace presenter for S3 for cell I3 trace dependence. Simultaneously remove all trace rows. Okay, all trace rows removed now. Use the error checking dialog box to identify required error summary. Go to review. Okay, I will use formula for the error check. Okay, locate and repair these circular references for circular references. Okay, repair and locate the repair circular references. Okay, question is completed now. Okay, I have done 11 questions of this exam. For remaining question or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your exam, quizzes, assignments and complete course. I can do all courses. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess. I will provide you A+ grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.